Shit hurt. If we play football, I'll let you tackle the shit out of me.
Yeah, so I could YouTube it.
What? Wait, after we play football, chill. Y'all not gonna play, y'all gonna be bitches about it.
Look how deep the fucking snow is. Look at this shit, man.
Shit, wow. Come on, we'll do a front flip.
I'm like shin high.
Man, do a front flip. Over the poppy on top. You ain't go over the poppy's deep. Come on.
Go.
Way back.
We're about to get dug the fuck out. We stuck in the middle of nowhere.
2012. We 2012 coming early. 2012, he came, dog. Let's see, we in the mountains right now.
Are you serious?
That's mommy.
I didn't know she was in there.
They still recording, right?
Yeah. Man, my fucking battery's dying.
Your battery dying?
Yeah.
It didn't die yet, though, right?
No, but I'm about to stop recording. It's just the front, Ali. Yeah, like all that. That's right, Dodgers. Dig up, dig up, dig up.
Yeah, I think we're going to be able to watch the 27 fight. I got it. Live streaming online right now.
On Ustream, right?
Huh?
On Ustream?
Yeah, well, no. Ustream took me somewhere else. But yeah, Ustream.